This is quick unboxing and overview of iPhone 12 blue color variant 64 GB model. So I'll just give you a quick overview of the box. So what they have mentioned here, these are the basic details. Here if you see, this is iPhone 12 64 GB model, assembled in California, made in China. Yeah, that's it. The box is very small, as everyone knows that Apple removes charger and earphone from the box, so the box is very small, so it is very easy to open here. So I am just unboxing this iPhone 12. Yeah, opening is very smooth. If you see, that is iPhone 12 for you. This blue color variant is really looking good, so hopefully, wow, it's feel very good in the hands. Also, this weight is very less comparatively. It is if you compare to iPhone 10 or 11, the weight is very less. Also, this design, square box design, is looking great. This is actually awesome, because if you see the iPhone 10 or previous models, they will be having this curved edges, but here it is awesome. So let's check what is inside the box. This is type C to lightning cable, and there is some paperwork. So SIM ejector pin and Apple logo on sticker and some other paperwork. That's it. Yeah, nothing else in the box. So let's go through the iPhone. So if you see here, there is a power button and volume rockers and the silent switch. Here is the SIM tray. If you see, you can see that usually it will be in this right side, but they have moved that into left side because in US variant they have 5 mm wave antenna at the right side, so they moved a SIM tray to left side. There is an antenna here. Also there is antenna, I don't know, it's focusing. Yeah, it's antenna at the bottom. Yeah, we'll open up this first. So at the bottom, if you see, there is lightning port, speaker grill and microphone. So this back is a glass, as you can see. So there are two cameras. One is 12 megapixel ultra wide angle. The second one is primary 12 megapixel camera, and the flashlight and the secondary microphone. So they have claimed that this front is sapphire glass. This is 4% harder than the previous version. Let me switch it on and set up, and I'll get back to you in this video. Yeah, now the phone has been set it up. So if you see, it is running 4.14.1 iOS out of the box, and I have set up with my Apple ID, everything. So the available space is for around 49.27 GB out of 64 GB. So that's it. So I haven't installed any apps, so nothing is there, only the default applications are there. So it's very smooth and silky. So hopefully, yeah, before I want to show you the size comparison of iPhone 10 and this phone. So I have iPhone 10. See, this is little bigger than iPhone 10 in the height, but the width it is almost kind of same. There is no difference. So it's the the width for holding the phone is really comfortable. Height is the only extra thing, so that makes the iPhone to Apple to make 66.1 inch display. This is OLED display. The previously iPhone 11 has the LCD panel, but this is OLED display as same as this in iPhone 10. This is also OLED display, but this height is less when compared to this iPhone 12. Now I have the case for this phone from the Apple original case, so I will show you how this will look like. Yeah, I think I already posted a video regarding this and the Magsafe charger. I also have the Magsafe charger. I will show you this magnetic attachment thing, everything. So I'll first show you the how this cover will look like with the phone. See, once we connected the blue color case, so this will show you the animation here with the blue color. So this is how it look like with the case. So this is pretty good. So let me show you the Magsafe charger. Yeah, you can check out the details regarding this Magsafe charger in my another video, which I will give the link in the description below. So now I am just going to show you how this will charge like that. So this is magnetically attached. So once it is connected, it started charging. This will charge in the 15-watt output. Actually, I have connected this cable into 20-watt Apple adapter. I have also posted the video for this 20-watt adapter. You can check out that also. So this is charging. Also, this magnetic is little strong. Yeah, so I'll try to attach photos captured from this phone this end of this video. I'll just want to show you the sample, so I'll try to also I just want to show you the camera interface, how it looks like. It seems camera looks really good. You can see the camera interface, photo, portrait, video, slow motion, time lapse, and there are some more options here to adjust the exposure and all. So I can't do in detail with this video. I'll just try to post some samples and you can let me know your feedbacks. Okay, let's see the sample images and the sample video, and we'll come back. Hello friends, this is 4K 60 FPS video. So just let me know in the comment section how this dynamic range and the stabilization. Also let me know about the video quality plus the audio captured from the same phone. Thank you guys. Hello guys, this is 4K 60 FPS video. Let me know how the stabilization is. Hopefully the stabilization should be good. Also the dynamic range is also fine. So hopefully I hope this will be good. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and like, comment and share. If you have any questions on this phone, you can please post it in the comment section. Thank you very much guys, thank you, bye. We'll see you in the next video.